Chrome NBL 22543. Because I reckon there'd be people who just plodded through the 200. But again, they're probably still faster than me. Here we go. Carl Adnan. What? Oh, me. That's my fault this time, not even James's fault. I actually need to get a photo of that for Dale. Oh well. Another running one's going to be doable. What was the slowest 100 meter heat this time around? Alright. The Fractal Wagstaff goes to Coach Travers. DJ Mitchell to 149. Bailey brings up a point. The people who give up halfway through the race to go into the repechage. Brian Armstrong. Karen, Chelsea Petty. 107.21 was the slowest 100 meter sprint. Rocco Zakarsky auto, or is that swim? Gold Mantis to 50. Coast to Coast Shane Scott, DJ Hogg. Hi, Venomous Gary Brown. Is that swim, sorry, Joe? Bobby Quitman. Coast to Close, Ian Clark. 100 meter freestyle swim. A minute 07. That is still so quick. Like, I don't think people understand how fast that is. Over. What's the record? Anthony Dermich. I'll just tell me what the record is. The world record right now is only 20 seconds faster than that. Big City Ballers, Rocco Zakarsky. 20 seconds. That is like nothing. Sam Froling to 109. And is that a male swimmer? Because I'm only going off male things. Alex Sui, Bryce Cotton. Cameron. Zion Cheatham. I don't think I'll be able to. Jack and Bay. And Cameron. Highly venomous Trey Kell. 50 metres in under 30 seconds for slowest time. Yeah, you have to be strategic as well. Coast to Coast, Larry Clark. Oh, wow. All-time greats. Corey Williams. That'll be randomised between everybody in the break. Finn Delaney, that is very nice. Someone will walk away with that. Very nice. RIP indeed. Bobby Clinton to 109. Joey Quill, Roger Zakarsky. Alan Williams, Lachlan Ulbrich. John Usher, Sam Froling. Darren Clark. Trent Flowers, Mantis, Coach of Mitch Creek. And what was the slowest 50 metre? 30 seconds. Orange, Justin Robinson to 2025. Aaron Baines, Gary Brown. Semenenga. Highly venomous, Tyler Harvey. DJ Mitchell. Oh no. Oh man, that's rough. Dan Gritter. That's a bad way to go out. Justin Robinson. Nathan So to 149. Jacob Wiley. Alexander Sarr. And that is Chrome NBL 22543.